We've all seen these smart locks before, but Geektail just sent this smart knob for our review. It is super easy to install, just a couple of screws. What I really love about this is that it can store up to 20 different passcodes. It does come with the app on your phone where you can provide access to anyone. You can leave it unlocked if you wanted to, if you have a party and, you know, hey, come on in, no problem. Unlock it. You can also have it automatically lock as soon as the door closes. It will fit on most US doors. It's, again, super simple to install. It's got a nice keypad right there, all rubberized and weatherproof, of course. It lights up at night, and it comes with it takes four AAA batteries right here. If the batteries die, what are you going to do? Are you going to be locked out? No, because you also have a USB-C right there that you can actually, just in case of emergencies, plug in, charge real quick, and gain access to your home. It's really, really nice. The set and reset is on the inside, of course. So if you're on the outside of the door, all you can see is the actual keypad itself. And if you don't have the keypad, you also have a key entry as well, and you can actually have the key right there that inserts right here, and that comes with the package. It's really, really nice. I love the way it looks, but I also love the way it works.